Hi geeks and welcome back to IGB. This is me Samir, and in today's video we will gonna look at how you can restart your Apple Watch, whether the watch is getting sluggish day by day or you want to give it a fresh start. Restarting is a very helpful troubleshooting step. First, let's start with the normal restart. Make sure that your Apple Watch is not charging because it won't restart if the Apple Watch is plugged in. So now that you have made sure that your Apple Watch is not charging and is not connected to the charger, you need to press and hold side button, which is right next to the digital crown, and this is the button we are talking about. Just press and hold it, and now you need to tap on this power button over here and swipe the slider towards right, and your Apple Watch will shut down. So to turn it on, it is quite simple. Again, you need to press and hold the side power button, and here you go, you will be greeted with the Apple logo. And that's how easy it is to restart your Apple Watch. But what if the Apple Watch has gone unresponsive or acting like something strange, just like that light in the background? Well, my friends, then you need to force restart it. Okay, so the only requisite in this particular method is same like the previous one, and that is you don't need to plug in the charger of Apple Watch, and make sure your Apple Watch is not charging by any means, because of which it won't restart. And so once you have made sure it is not charging, now you need to press and hold digital crown as well as side lock button together for approximately, let's say, 10 seconds. Press and hold. And as you can see, the screen has been shut down and it's gone blank. Keep holding it until you see Apple logo, and it will appear very soon. Oh, okay, so here we go. The Apple logo has been appeared. So our Apple Watch has been successfully rebooted. That's it. That's how you restart your Apple Watch forcefully and normally. Do let me know in the comment section if you're facing any kind of problems, and I'm here to make you a pro Apple user. So make sure you subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so that you don't miss out on any crucial tips and tricks or any troubleshooting guide like this. On this note, this is me Samir signing off, and I will see you in the next one. Till then, tada, see ya, bye bye guys.